In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in Revit. Now we're going to be using a combination of our mouse and the keyboard over here to actually zoom in and zoom out, okay? So the first and the easiest way to zoom in or zoom out is going to be to use your mouse wheel. So you can just basically scroll up to actually zoom in, or you can scroll down to zoom out like this, okay? You can then of course go and move around. The easiest way to move around for me is to basically press in with my mouse wheel and move around like this. So just press in and drag, and of course you'll be able to kind of reposition things and then zoom in and zoom out using your wheel by scrolling up or scrolling down. That's the first way to do it. But then you also have some keys on your keyboard which you can use to help you with your zooms, okay? So the first one is going to be ZR. So you want to press Z and R together on your keyboard. So first Z, then R, and there we go. As you can see, kind of a magnifying glass will form. And now what you have to do is click and drag a rectangle around the specific area you want to magnify. So if I click and drag over here, for example, and I release, there we go, it's going to zoom into that specific area, okay? So again, the ZNR or ZR, you just press ZR and it's going to pop this up. That's, of course, the first way you could do this. The second one is going to be ZO or ZO. So this is going to instantly zoom out by half. So if I press ZO, as you can see, and if I keep pressing it, it's going to always zoom out by half just like that, okay? Then the third one we have over here is going to be zoom to fit. Now the zoom to fit is going to be ZF or ZF. This is going to automatically frame your entire model within the view window. So if I press ZF, there we go. As you can see, my entire model is within the view window just like that. And then last but not least, you have the option which is called zoom all to fit. And to do this, you want to press Z or ZA, so ZA, and there we go. It's going to zoom and fit the model to all your currently open views simultaneously, okay? So that's essentially all there is to zooming in Revit. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.